When you have this choco in your head and you tell the guy, let us go first. By the time you move and you see that you are not even comfortable with the place, you say you go change that for the guy.
First is that they will even take you to places where they know you obviously will not go for, just to get that 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 naira inspection fee from you.
Somewhere around Magboro, Ibafo, someone was looking for house, and he said that we have to first pay 5k before he can take us to those places. And I can bet you that even though you pay that 5k, you might not still pick that house.
At least if I want to buy something from you, I have to see what I wanted to buy. Why will you tell me that I have to pay for it before I can buy it?
They knew that where they are taking you to is not somewhere you can actually take. Sometimes, most of them, they know. But they want to say, okay, bring inspection fee. Some of them will say bring 5,000 for inspection. Some of them say if you won't carry them with your car there, they will still collect that money. So for what? I don't think it is, because at the end of the day, if it work out that I take the place, you are definitely going to get your cut from it. So why paying for inspection? For what? Of what value?
Let's try to encourage each other. Some people take it as their business. They take that pain going around looking for house, talking to landlords, talking to people that have those houses. So if they have taken that pain to do that and they are taking you to that place, you should be able to encourage them with something. So even though we can have a fixed amount or encourage them with something, just leave them to go like that. At least get them something so that they will be happy that, okay, my effort was not in vain. So 5k is not bad, and at the same time it's kind of high. So let's just say let's just say like 2k. So we should get a percentage of 2k. It's okay, just to encourage them. All right, that okay, thank you for showing me this house. Thank you for this and that.
They then told me that I have to pay before I can go and inspect the house. I was like, how can I pay? Okay, what about I pay? I first asked him, how much is the money? He said 5,000 naira for the inspection fee. I was like, 5,000 naira. What about I pay you this money? Maybe the agreement didn't work out. Are you going to pay me back? He said no. So I was like, no, I can't do this. So I was just so surprised. That is the first time I'm hearing of. I've been hearing it before, but it haven't happened to me. But when the thing happened to me, I was just so surprised. So what those people are talking about is real.
When the person asks a realtor what the inspection fee entails, the realtor should be able to explain to the individual that needs the accommodation or that needs the property that this inspection fee, it involves logistics and other expenses, because a realtor might need to make several calls to get a property for his client. Might need to make several calls. That's one aspect. And the other aspect is the aspect of WhatsApp, send information via WhatsApp, or send the pictures of the property via WhatsApp, or the video of the, it requires a lot of things. You need to buy data, you need to buy airtime to make calls. You need to, in some occasions, that realtor might need to even go to the place where the property is located to carry out the due diligence. When you meet a well-qualified realtor, a registered realtor, somebody that has a registered, his business name registered, the company's name registered, somebody that has an office, somebody who is well educated, the person will not be telling a client that anytime we are going out for inspection, you must give me something. It is the client that will use his or her discretion that say, this person has really worked for me and has shown me a property I really desire. And out of the gladness, the client can now say, let me just give him something. But inspection fee should be collected once.
I think I can't do anything without that, because I think that is the way they bring food to their table. That is how they earn their own money to feed the family. So what I would suggest is that if they can just cut it low, reduce the price.
It shouldn't be a necessity, because we are already getting from the commission already, right? It's like you're working a monthly salary and you want to be paid extra for your job. Like for instance now, you are a data analyst or a front end engineer or whatever, or you are a PA to a governor, and you are being paid monthly, and he sends you on an errand, and you are telling him to pay you extra. You know when you didn't work extra, he's paying you for the amount. So for me, I think it should be scrapped.
I can say that okay, it can be necessary because some people, when you take some people out, you know that you are using your energy now. At least you had something. Some people, not everybody that know that use it and buy card or something like that. I can say that it is necessary, but it should not be too expensive. I've gone to an agent for, just like I said earlier, and the special fee said at 3,000 naira. At least if it's like 1,500 or 1,000, it's still okay.
Charging for inspection fees seems to have no legal support from the Nigeria Institution of Estate Surveyors and Valuers and Lagos State Real Estate Regulatory Authority. According to Section 15, Subsection 1 of 2004 Estate Surveyors and Valuers Registration Act, registered estate surveyors and valuers must follow an approved fee scale when charging for their services. This official fee scale doesn't mention anything about inspection fees. However, a prospective client can deem it fee to tip the agent or realtor when they go out for inspection.